Guys, welcome back to my channel. This airdrop is ending in less than 5 days. If you're a complete beginner and you want to see how you can earn the least $10 or $20 from this airdrop, all you need to do is click the link in the description box and it will bring you to this interface. When you come to this interface, look at the icons below. You will see the one written quests. Go there and perform all the tasks. The first task I'm performing today is daily reward. So I'm claiming my daily reward. That is completed. The second one I will do is riddle of the day. The riddle of today is pool. Pool. You check answer and they reward you for doing that task. You check here quest to do, find out the quest you can do and perform it. The next one I'm going to do is to watch this YouTube video. What can you learn from Elon Musk? Uncovering the secret of success. The task is what you can learn from Elon Musk, uncovering the secret of success. Attention, to complete the task, write the number of the satellite that Musk plans to launch to the moon, paid for in Dogecoin in the field. So the answer is 1. Let's check the code and we've been rewarded. The second one, watch YouTube video, The Art of Negotiation, Tips and Techniques, episode 8. This one is for episode 8, depending on the episode that was given to you. But episode 8 is 35489. Let's check the code. Now, they said I should tap 64,890,000 coin. So I will go back to this icon written mining. I'm going to tap. The more I tap, the more I get closer to my task. The more I tap, the more I get closer to my task of the day. If I want to improve this, if I want to feel this energy again, I come to this place that is written, that they wrote you. If you check here, you see the amount of coin you can tap per tap. You click on it, you see improve. Click on improve. Then you upgrade all of this. And you see my battery is filled again, so I'm going to tap it again. So let me see if I've completed this. I've completed this one. So they say I should claim my money. I've claimed it. Now they say I should improve 5 different skills. So I'll come to improve. There is a place written improve. Click on improve. Okay. For now, I don't have the words I can improve. Okay, let me tap this. Okay. So I'll come back later and complete it. You see, it's remaining. I've done 4, is remaining 1. So I'll come back later and improve it. Let me see if I have any to improve here. Okay, I'll come back later and improve. And that is how it is. You follow up. Each time your battery finishes, you fill it again. Each time your battery finishes, you tap it away. And that is how you do. We have less than 5 days to go. And you never know. The least $10 or $20 will definitely do something for you. So that's all for today's video. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more content or more updates. Bye.